Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the top 5 mechanical keyboard. Invest in one of the best gaming keyboard to get that gaming edge. You're adding more to your PC battle station than just some bright RGB lighting. With the improvement in accuracy, responsiveness and comfort just not present in middle of the road keyboards, your gaming will go to that next level. That experience will be smoother and more streamlined. Here are the top 5 mechanical keyboards. 1. Razer Huntsman V2 Analog. Combining the latest optical technology and Razer's analog mechanical key switches, the Razer Huntman V2 Analog is good enough to get a 5-star rating from us. That's underselling it. This gaming keyboard delivers the best tapping and gaming experience of any keyboard we have tested in the last few months, with extremely satisfying tactile feedback and wrist rest that's designed to let you game for longer. As far as keyboards go, it is sitting on the expensive side of things, but it's definitely worth it. 2. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro svelte, athletic and clever OLED display are just the appetizer. The SteelSeries Apex Pro gets our coveted 5-star rating for many reasons, the biggest of which are its stunning and solid build, custom actuation and comfortable, not to mention quite magnetic switches. Performance-wise, it's among the best gaming keyboards we have tested yet, which makes its $199 price tag worth the splurge. 3. Razer Huntsman Lite. If you have the need for speed, then the Huntman Lite is your best bet. Thanks to its new mechanical switches that sound like mouthful, but essentially it means that Razer has managed to combine mechanical switches with optical sensor. This unthinkable allows the Huntsman Lite to take its actuation to the next level, and you would be hard pressed to find a faster keyboard on the market. Switches aside, it's also remarkably comfortable to type on. Plus, it's covered with more RGB lighting that you can shake a stick at. Sure, it needs 2 USB cables for power and costs a small fortune, but with tech like this, it's absolutely worth it. 4. Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard AW768. When you think Alienware, value isn't the word that comes to mind, but this time around the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard AW768 is a genuinely great deal. At $100 or quite, you're getting the toughest gaming keyboard fitted with mechanical keys, dedicated macro keys and slick aesthetic. It's not the most feature-rich keyboard in the game, but at this price, it really doesn't need to be. One of the best gaming keyboards in 2021, the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard AW768 gets the job done and looks good while doing it. 5. Cooler Master Set MS120. Not everything has to be super high and to be good, and the Cooler Master Set MS120 is the perfect example. Through this once a keyboard and a mouse set, the keyboard is the star of the show, sitting at just under $100. The Master Set's keyboard is affordable while being up there with its more premium mechanical competitor in terms of quality. The switches on offer bring a ton of tactile feedback and deep travel. It's quite as well, so you can furiously pounding away during an intense late night Overwatch match without worry. The Cooler Master Set MS120 is without a doubt one of the best gaming keyboard under $100. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.